Welcome to a What's New look in version 9. A fresh new look, new and improved features, easier than ever before to create drawings and animations without sacrificing accuracy and quality. Focus on your drawing while you're drawing. We put all the tools you need just a mouse click away. Already users are saying that they're cutting their drawing time nearly in half. Version 9 isn't gimmicky. It's the real deal. The CAD Zone is always working with our end users in mind, staying on course with our mission to create programs that are easy, accurate, and affordable. So let's take a look at some of the many new features available in version 9. All the main drawing tools have been consolidated for quick access in the Tool Zone. Each set of tools are grouped under their own headings. The tools for 3D, recon, and animation have been combined on one page for quick access. Many like tools have been further consolidated into tool groups. Tool groups are obvious by the arrow in the lower right corner of the button. Click on a tool group button to bring up the menu of like tools. The pull-down and right-click menus have been streamlined and now display icons with the text. Changing properties has never been easier or more efficient. The Properties buttons are at the top of the left-hand menu, the speed bar, and right-click menu. Quickly change or set the current layer, line color, line type, and line width. Use the Match tool to match the properties of any object you select in the drawing. You can even match text and dimension settings of text and dimensions already placed in the drawing. Reset all the properties except the current layer with the Reset button. The heads-up display at the upper left-hand corner of the drawing area gives you quick access to drawing properties and data. Check out the heads-up display when you draw, select objects, measure distance, and measure area. All of the text and dimension tools have been consolidated into new fixed dialogues for easy access that's out of your way. Double-click on a line of text for quick editing. Here's a look at a couple of other text features. Double-click on a dimension for quick editing. Let's take a look at some of the other dimension tools. Point labels have replaced the loose data associated with points from the coordinate data table and pocket zone. Now the point data is simply a part of the point. Select a point label and open up the point label control by pressing the Tab key or by selecting it from the right-click menu. From this control, you can turn labels on and off and set the text size of the label. That text size will be maintained as you zoom in and out from your drawing. The label data descriptions are still displayed in the Layer Manager next to the orange diamonds. If you try to change the state of any of these 4 layers in the Layer Manager, the point label control will pop up. All of the import data types can be quickly accessed from a single group in Easy Tools. To make sure you have the latest version of the program, click on the Update button in the Learning Center. If a new version is available, click on the Express Update link to download and install it. You'll have to close the program first for the update to load. The Express Update shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Go to the link site in the Learning Center for access to more free resources. For a complete description of the new features in version 9, click on the What's New in Version 9 link in the Learning Center or from the Help pull-down menu. Textures can really improve the look of your drawing. Surface your drawing with actual images of asphalt, grass, gravel, brick, and much more. Hatches and textures are three-dimensional and can generate 3D surfaces. You can properly surface a roadway using the texture tools as well as the auto surface tools. Compare surfacing a roadway with auto surface and textures. First, cap off the roadway. Select it and surface it using the auto surface feature. Note all the triangles used to surface the roadway. Now select the roadway and use the texture hatch tools to fill the area. You can even align a vehicle to a surface created with textures. Bring up an aerial or satellite image from Bing Maps. Place the image manually or georeferenced into the drawing at real-world scale automatically. Pressing Enter while placing the image will georeference it in the drawing, placing it in its real-world location. Insert sections of map using the automatic georeference feature. In this example, we entered the address 4790. For the next section, we'll enter 3790. Place and press Enter to position the two sections relative to each other in real-world coordinates. Create a drawing on top of your aerial photos. Select the photo and use the Bitmap Edit tool to fade and lock the image onto another layer for easier tracing. Place your on-scene data directly over the top of the photo. Add surfaces, symbols, text, and dimensions to the image. Use the blot-out tool on text and symbols to help them stand out. The photo will display in 3D as well as in your animations. Improve your 3D view with vehicle shine and light source shading. Take 3D snapshots at higher resolution than your actual screen resolution. These higher res images are cleaner and clearer and are great for printed posters and reports. Travel along the animation path at any position relative to the moving object on the path with the new moving camera feature. The critical speed calculator now has 4 methods of calculating speed from a yaw mark. The rviews method generates 8 different solutions by automatically dividing the curve into 1/4 and 1/3 the overall length of the curve and 6 equal and overlapping sections. With the fixed chord method, you set the chord length. As many chords the curve can handle at that length will be displayed. The ADPC method, or absolute data point calculation, calculates the chord strictly from the measured data points used to draw the curve and not the curve itself. Using the dynamic chord method, set a custom chord length and then slide the chord to any position along the length of the curve. If you're having trouble finding a drawing, use the new File Find tool from the File pull-down menu. Enter the full name or partial name with an asterisk. File Find will search your entire computer for the file. If you're having trouble finding a symbol, use the new Symbol Search feature located on the Symbol Manager. Once you've found the symbol you're looking for, select it. Right-click and choose Copy Full Name to Clipboard. The symbol will appear in the preview window. Our programs and the service we provide are second to none. We offer free tech support with no maintenance fees. If you need a new 3D vehicle or symbol, we'll build it for you. Ask about our subscription service payment plan. Call us today at 800-641-9077 or visit our website at www.cadzone.com.